Welcome to 1355 Union Street in picturesque North Marshfield, Massachusetts. This seaside community offers both the ocean and river to its many beachgoers. Set in a neighborhood of mansions, this magnificent property stands above all with spectacular views of the North River. This private gated estate offers outdoor entertainment with a spectacular sparkling in-ground pool, spa, tennis court, large grilling area, and koi pond. As we enter the home, we are greeted warmly by the amazing grand open two-story ballroom with its massive columns that have been hand-fluted. French doors line the wall, allowing lots of sunlight. Gleaming hardwood floors and open floor plan makes easy entertaining. The heart of this home is the wonderful chef's kitchen. The gracious two-story family room is centered with floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. There is a beautiful porch overlooking the pool and tennis court, and a great place to gather with friends and family. After your in-home workout, stop by the sports pub for a cool drink. The in-home office located in private area of the home comes complete with built-ins, wet bar, and guest ensuite. Car lovers will enjoy the spacious 4-car attached garage. Commuters dream to avoid traffic. Fly to work at the nearby airport. The quality and craftsmanship shines throughout this magnificent property that was custom designed for entertaining. Welcome to easy living at its best. For more information, please contact the listing agent.